Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase QS dark mode plugin for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will attack this type of product page. And here you can see a few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your QS dark mode plugin with our original license key in a few minutes. So sorry guys. So you will get lifetime auto update on it. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, add other information and confirm your payment. Okay, after the payment confirmation you will redirect this type of product page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.